clients. I've worked with IBL over the last several years to create 32 courses at the college level. They have done an absolutely outstanding job in course creation. They've brought creativity, they've brought integrity, and they have brought technical and technological expertise to this initiative. They did a terrific job recruiting professors, which was not easy, and they did a very, very good job with producing all of these courses, 32 courses in all. It wasn't easy, and they came in on time as promised and on budget. I recommend them very, very highly to anyone who needs to have courses produced on any subject.